Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Bhavna and I am delighted to introduce you to this thoughtfully designed course titled Ethical Use of Artificial Intelligence and Writing Your Research Proposal. So, whether you are just beginning your research career or preparing your first proposal or refining your understanding of ethical, impactful medical research, this course is your complete roadmap. So, let me just walk you through the 10 modules that make up the heart of this course. So, the module 1 is kickstarting your research journey in an ethical way, where we begin with the two warm introductory lectures, that is, welcoming you and how to use this course for maximum impact, followed by module 2, where I have designed this module that will equip you with the tools and clarity that is laying the groundwork for research and what you will expect in laying the groundwork for research are these lectures, that is how to use this course, you will expect, your research toolkit, and download central, where you can download the research templates which are ready made for you. Thereafter, we will go with building a strong research foundation, where I've designed this course in a way that you will have a foundation first, followed by why research matters in our medical field, and you'll have a spotting the difference, that is finding the pitfalls in picking a topic, what makes a research topic great, and how to choose a perfect topic for your research. Also, you will have few prompts from my side and how to use AI wisely in selecting your topic. Then there would be small quizzes to understand your knowledge and also some super prompts for your interest exploration. Thereafter, you will have a module on crafting a compelling research question, where I've designed this in the form that you will find your own research compass and how you can select the right topic for your research, then discover your passion as well, how to apply the finer criteria, craft a sharp question, how to use the PICO framework, and your topic at least is ready to launch. Then you will have small quizzes and few super prompts for your niche finding. Thereafter, the next module, we will concentrate on conducting a thorough literature review, which is very important before conducting your research, where I have discussed that how you will synthesize efficient literature, how you can analyze what you read, how you can organize your review of literature, how you can smart searching with AI, do's and don'ts of AI in literature review, step by step demo guide, literature review checklist, and prepare your review. Thereafter, the next module is very important, which is AI in medical research. What are the risk and reward? How you can ethically use it? How AI can help you, but ethically? What are the do's and don'ts for topic selection, integrity of AI in research, data analysis, citing and reference management, and few of the articles which will help your understanding. Thereafter, the next module is on understanding statistical test, how to apply the right test, and thereafter you will write your research proposal step by step. And I have also few bonuses and wrap up which you will find in the research course as you go along. So, what makes this course unique are the bite sized focused lectures, hands on assignment, and smart prompts, how you can ethically integrate AI tools. I've also designed few checklists and templates which you can use it for your research. And by the end of this course, you will have confidence, tools, and ethical compass to lead your own research project from idea to proposal submission. So let's build the future of ethical evidence based medical research together. Thank you, and I can't wait to see you inside the course.